Today I'm going to teach you how to edit text on WordPress pages and posts with Elementor. Whether you're updating content on your website or creating fresh posts, this process will help you customize text quickly and professionally using one of the most popular page builders available. First, you need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access the backend of your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your content management options are displayed. From here, navigate to Pages and then click on All Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages currently on your website. Look for the specific page you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This opens the page in Elementor's visual editor, allowing you to make changes in real time. Now that you're inside Elementor, focus on the left panel. In the search bar, type Text Editor. This widget is specifically designed for adding and editing text content. You can either click on it to add it automatically or drag it to your preferred location on the page. This flexibility lets you place text exactly where you need it in your layout. Once the text editor widget is in place, you'll see a field where you can type your new text under the Content tab. Go ahead and enter the content you want to display. If you need to format your text, use the toolbar that appears above the text field. You can make text bold by clicking B, italicize it with I, or create lists to organize information clearly. These tools help you structure your content for better readability. Next, switch to the Style tab to customize the appearance of your text. In the Typography section, click on the pencil icon. This opens options where you can adjust the font type and font size to match your website's branding. Take your time here to ensure the text looks polished and professional. You can also change the text color by clicking on the color picker. This tool allows you to select any color that fits your design scheme. Adjusting these visual elements ensures your text stands out and aligns with the overall look of your site. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save Draft beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. This saves your work without making it live immediately, giving you the chance to review everything before publishing. Now let's move on to editing posts. Go back to your dashboard and in the left menu, select Posts, then click All Posts. This displays all the blog posts on your site. Look for the post you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. This opens the post in the same visual editor you used for pages. You can now repeat the same steps to edit and format the text in your post. Add the text editor widget, type your content, use the formatting tools, and adjust the style settings just like you did before. This consistency makes managing your site much easier. When you're done making changes, don't forget to click Save Draft beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. This ensures all your updates are stored safely. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit text on both WordPress pages and posts using Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.